Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you want to change your passcode to enhance your iPhone's security? Since your passcode is the key to your device's sensitive information, keep it strong and up to date. In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps on how to do it easily. Let's go. To change your iPhone passcode, open the Settings app. Navigate to the Face ID and Passcode configuration page, and enter your current passcode to verify access. Next, scroll down and tap Change Passcode. First, provide your current passcode. Create a new 6-digit password for your device, and re-enter it to confirm your changes. For added security, iOS 17 and later include a 72-hour grace period during which you can still use your old passcode, providing a safety net in case you forget the new one. But if you want to immediately deactivate your old passcode, return to the Face ID and Passcode settings and click Expire Previous Passcode Now. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or other problems with your Apple device, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.